Hey, how's it going? It's me, Mario, and I want to invite you to our launch party of Web Agency Pro, where you get 11 amazing, elegant, stunning business websites that you can sell immediately to businesses, right? 11 different niches, all WordPress based, all mobile optimized. They look incredible. Actually, before you do anything, scroll down and look at the live demo. Like, click on the link, for example, the dentist example or the lawyer example, and head over to the live site and look for yourself how amazing these websites look like, right? The header, the graphics, the images, the scheduling system, you can add a Google map to it. You can have a testimonial section. Everything can be edited. It looks incredible. And you can sell one website for hundreds and hundreds of dollars to gyms, to restaurants, to a spa, you name it, but you get 11 of that, right? We also give you an agency website that sells these websites as a service, right? So if you're a local marketer, if you're an agency, if you need a beautiful website to sell the websites that we're giving you right now, we're also going to provide you with that, right? So you're getting actually 12 different professionally done, elegant, stunning WordPress optimized websites that you can sell immediately, and you can edit them and you can install them literally in just a couple of minutes. There's a demo video on this page as well, where you can see in just 4 minutes how we install each website from scratch, because they are WordPress based, right? Now the launch is happening on September 23rd. That is this upcoming Thursday. It's happening at 11 a.m. but at 10 a.m. Eastern time, I'm doing a pre-launch party, a pre-launch webinar where I'm going to show you each of the 11 websites. I'm going to give you a live demo. I'm going to show you how easy it is to install them. And then most importantly, I'm going to offer you an incredible early bird special where you can get all of the upgrades included as well. We have additional websites as one of the upgrades. We have a professional version as one of the upgrades, and you can have all of the upgrades included for one crazy low early bird special price on this webinar, with some special bonuses as well. So you get a live demo, you get a full walkthrough, you can ask me any questions, you get a special deal, and you can get the bundle with all of the upgrades included, right? So what you want to do, what you should do for that is below this video, there's going to be a link. Just click on that, register for the webinar, and then most importantly, show up for the live call. It's going to be a short and sweet call. I'm not going to bore you with my story. There's not going to be any fluff. I'm going to go right into the demo, show you the 11 websites, show you how they're structured, how we convert, how we set them up for maximum conversions so that you can sell them instantly to local businesses, to influencers, on Fiverr, wherever you want to sell them. You are good to go with it, right? We're also giving you 2 sales videos to sell these websites as well. One with a UK voiceover and one with a US voiceover. You get that included as well. It's really a web design agency business that is done for you, where you get the websites, you get even the copy, you can edit it, you get the sales video, and you can just start selling them immediately for one crazy low price, right? So what you should do is check out the live demo, check out the demo examples below, click on the images, head over to the actual live demo so that you can see it and you can see, wow, this looks incredible, right? And you can get all of that for one low price, and then register, of course, for the webinar, and most importantly, show up for the live call. On the live call is where you get the special deal, where you get the upgrades, where you can ask us questions and anything that you want to know about these templates, for example, okay? So that's pretty much it for me. As you can see, I'm pumped, I'm excited. We really worked hard to create an incredible package, putting 12 websites into one package with the sales video, with the UK voiceover, the US voiceover, WordPress optimized. It's mobile friendly, mobile optimized, looks great on a tablet as well, and all of that for one low price. It's perfect for video marketers, agencies, local marketers, and anyone who wants to make money online and wants to make money selling simple services to businesses that, a service that businesses really truly need, okay? I hope that makes sense. Click on the link below, sign up for the webinar. I can't wait to see you on the live call. Talk soon.